Lawrence Neal here from corporatewarrior.co. So I get asked all the time, how do I generate more revenue and get more referrals into my high intensity strength training business? Now, and one excellent way to do that is to hold monthly seminars at your locations. So Discover Strength, who are a fast growing high intensity training, personal training business in the US, do this every single month at every location, and it's worked really, really well. They get around 40 to 60 attendees, I should say, to each one of these seminars. And what they do is they don't have a sales pitch. The purpose of the seminar is to keep it short, so keep it 30 minutes in length, and have the whole thing just focused on providing some kind of education to teach those in the room more about the benefits of the type of exercise they're doing, or the benefits of high intensity training. And this in turn leads to greater retention as they start to really understand the value they're getting, but also it gives them the ability to talk about it with their friends and family and generate you more referrals. Now, it's important to offer an incentive to drive people to the seminar, and Discover Strength offer a 10% off incentive off of the next workout of those that attend. Obviously, really important to promote this as well within your organization. So your trainers should be promoting it a few weeks before to each of their clients who they're training. They should just drop it into conversation. And then also you should be promoting it via social media and via your mass email. So hopefully that was helpful. Try it, give it a go, test it, set up a seminar in your business and see if you can drive people to attend and collect feedback and see if it improves retention and helps you generate more referrals. So I'm Lawrence Neal, and I will speak to you soon.